坐和谐号动车组列车，如需帮助和乘务人员，本次将感报警装置，吸烟将引发火。Welcome to the CRH train facilities。需要办理升舱的旅客联系列车工作人员。In the first class， 分流玩耍。
Making an espresso now.
Can I take a photo?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, the smell. Just a smell because it's too strong. It's very strong.
I think all the train feel the smell.
Italian people to drink this.
Are you Italian?
No. Do you like the coconut? The coconut
Don't
coffee?
tell me you have a coconut here.
Coconut milk.
Okay.
Yeah, which I got it from the convenience store.
At the station?
Yeah.
So, do me.
来给小姐姐做一杯生椰拿铁。
This is a morning magic.
Coconut latte.
Thank you, 老师. Wow. This is the best coconut latte I ever tried.
Do you want to try it together?
What is this?
One.
One.
It's kind of the rice cookie.
Okay. It tastes very good. We have something similar in my country, made of corn. What is made from?
The made with rice.
Rice. Oh, so
Yeah.
good.
此时此刻，小姐姐已经吃上头了。
Not bad.
Not bad.
You teach me your way, I teach you my way. What do you think?
I prefer without coffee.
Okay. This is very good.
Yeah.
One. Culture.
You should try this.
Okay. So how do I do it?
Just eat.
And drink coffee?
Yeah.
Tastes good. Culture.
The soya bean.
Soya bean.
Yeah.
What's the name?
辣条.
辣椒. House is on fire.
手指座椅靠背。
You?
So you
Think
already
we're
got
getting
here,
there.
yeah? Oh,
I
yeah.
got here and I'm ready to go. Okay. Thank you
Bye.
again.
小姐姐，下次见。